These amigurumi and crochet projects are going to get you into the spooky spirit this Halloween season. Some of my favorite memories as a kid are from Halloween. And does anybody else remember the plastic costumes that we had back in the 1980s where it was the plastic mask and it barely had a hole for you to be able to breathe out of? But we all had them. Every single kid had those Halloween costumes, and those bring back so many good memories for me. But today I'm going to be sharing my favorite free Halloween crochet and amigurumi patterns with you. These are adorable and they're all free. I'm very sorry, you're going to hear Pickle, my cat, going crazy around here. And if you remember, Pickle was really sick, and I updated you all on the community tab about him because he has FIP and we're doing the treatment for it, and he's doing amazing. And he's going crazy here in the room right now, so you may end up hearing him from time to time. But we're gonna start with the one that I made first, and it is so cute. Pickle, what are you doing? Oh my goodness. Hello, Pickle. Oh, don't drop it. When I was on the hunt for a fun, free pattern for Halloween, this one immediately caught my attention, and I think it's because it reminds me of one of my absolute all-time favorite movies that I like to watch around Halloween, and that's Young Frankenstein.
That's Frankenstein.
If you don't remember it, and maybe you're too young for this, but it was a Mel Brooks movie from 1974, starred by Gene Wilder, and I love this movie so very much. And it just kind of brought back memories. Oh my gosh, there went Pickle. It brought back memories, especially of the scene where Dr. Frankenstein and the monster do their little dance, and I just love that one.
Where fashion sits.
So funny. But anyway, I think it's something about that little smile and that little green that just made me think of the monster, and I just think it is so much fun. This is the Crochet Frankenstein Candy Pouch by Repeat Crafter Me, and I just think it is absolutely adorable. I love the little face. I love the little scar up here and that cute little smile, but also I love that it has a little drawstring, and it's meant to be a little tiny candy pouch, and I'm not sure if it would be strong enough to keep me from getting into the candy because I don't need to eat any Halloween candy this year, but I just thought it was really cute. It's really fun. It worked up super quick, and I used one of my favorite yarns that I already have in my stash, which is the Paint Box Wool Mix Aran, and I used the colors Spearmint, Pure Black, and Paper White, and you'll find a link to this pattern in the description box below. Make sure to check out my brand new Halloween Amigurumi Adoption Kit. It contains 3 brand spanking new adoption certificates, gift tags, and a keepsake letter template. You'll find friendly ghosts, cute little bats, a scaredy cat, and a haunted pumpkin house. You'll find a link to the Halloween Amigurumi Adoption Kit, as well as all of my other Amigurumi Adoption Kits, patterns, and printables in my shop. Oh, Pickle. Pickle. Pickle, you gotta get out of the way. This is the little candy corn family, and it's from yours truly. I designed this a couple of years ago. I got super into this design and created names and personalities for each one of them. It was just so much fun. So this is the dad, and his name is Christopher Corn, and he is a devoted husband and father. He loves DIY projects, and he loves to golf on the weekends. This is the mom, Candace Corn, but everybody calls her Candy. Haha. I'm sorry, that was a really dumb joke, but it amused me. Candy loves baking, and she is very well known for her Boston cream pies. This is little Caroline Corn, and she's the baby of the family, and she spends her days giggling and blowing raspberries. I actually named her after my younger daughter Caroline because somehow this little candy corn reminded me of her when she was a baby. It might be that big purple bow right there, but it just resembles my daughter somehow. But I have the free pattern and a video tutorial for you, and you'll find it in the description box below. If you don't know Katie from the Yarn Society, let me introduce you. The world of the Yarn Society is full of the cutest and sweetest little amigurumi toys, and this Charlotte Spider is perfect for Halloween. I love that she made it in soft pastel colors because it's not really scary, and some kids get really scared of the Halloween decorations, and this one would be perfect for that child or adult that's a little bit on the timid side and they don't really like all the scary stuff. And one thing that Katie said in her tutorial was that she ended up designing this because her daughter was really scared of spiders. So she decided to make this little crocheted spider for her daughter to help her get over her fear, and it worked. But make sure to check out all of Katie's beautiful designs. She has so many free patterns and tutorials, and you'll find a link for both in the description box below. This next pattern is also a video tutorial, and it's the Witchy Hat from Roz by Play Hooky With Me. I love this one so much because I'm just gonna be honest with you, I love to dress up. I think it is so fun to put a costume on and pretend to be somebody else for a little while. But this one would be super fun if you are dressing up for Halloween, or if you're gonna be going out with your kids trick-or-treating, or maybe you're going to be handing out candy at your house and you just wanna have a little fun, festive, costumey kind of thing on. This little witchy hat would be so much fun. And I think it'd be really cute if you added, okay, there's Pickle again. Pickle is playing with the candy corn family. Pickle, don't eat the candy corn. He's trying to eat the baby corn. Don't eat baby corn. No, no. I would put a big orange bow right there around the brim of the hat, and that would be so cute, so festive, and you could have it for years to come. And you'll find a link for it in the description box below. The next project is the Ghost Advent Calendar by Stringy Ding Ding. I love this one. It is so cute. My kids would have Pickle. My kids would have absolutely loved this project when they were little. And who am I kidding? They would actually probably really love it now. And it's a little ghost, and it's separated into 31 different days so that kids can start getting really excited and okay, sorry, there's Pickle. This is the perfect project to help kids get super excited about Halloween, but actually, I don't think most kids need help getting excited about Halloween, but it will help them to count down the days until Halloween because it has 31 different little pockets, and you move the little candy stick all the way each and every day. I think this one is really clever, and Stringy Ding Ding has a lot of really adorable patterns on her website, so make sure to check the link in the description box below. The next project is the Zombie from Spin a Yarn Crochet. This one is so cute, and I love all the details on this little project. You've got the eye popping out, and you have the little brains, and what's great is that she actually has a video tutorial for how to make those brains, and I watched it and I was like, wow, that is genius, because it gives it that little detail that just makes it look so amazing. And Jillian from Spin a Yarn Crochet has so many adorable projects. Hers are so professional looking, and they just look so cute, and I love cute, spooky Halloween projects. I don't love super scary ones, but this one just is a little bit spooky, but it's still really, really cute. The next two projects are from one of my very favorite crochet designers, and that's Amber from Divine Debris. If you know Amber's work, you know that it is whimsical and it is full of personality, and her Bewitchy wall hanging is so much fun for Halloween. I love adding little decorative touches around my home, and it's a bonus if they're handmade. And this one has the little kitty cats on the bottom, and you may already know, but I'm kind of obsessed with my own little kitty cat, so I thought that was such a cute little detail. But she also has a lot of other fun free patterns on her website, but I also love her ghostly mushrooms wall hanging. I think this one is so cute, and it combines that cozy cottage core with the little ghosts, and this one is just so much fun. Amber's personality really shines through with every design that she makes, and her crochet projects are the best. The next project are the Crochet Witch Gnomes by Jen Hayes Creations. Jen has a way with gnomes. Let's just get that out there right now. She has lots of different gnome variations, and they are all so adorable. And these little gnome witches are so cute. I love their long braids. I love those little striped stockings they're wearing, and look at the shoes. Jen's patterns are so well written. She has an attention to detail, and you are going to love these patterns. One of the other things that she has is she has a separate pattern for the little broom. How cute is that? I love the little witch's broom. She also has a cauldron that she just changed the color, but it's originally her pot of gold pattern. So make sure to check the link for all of those, for the witches, the broomsticks, and the little cauldron. They're all so cute. And I just love Jen's designs. She really does do them so well, and they're very professionally done. The next spooky Halloween pattern is the Crochet Mini Ghost by Vincent from Not Bad. Vincent's patterns are so adorable, and what what I love about him is that he is not the traditional amigurumi designer. We don't see a lot of young men being amigurumi designers, but that's what I really love about him. And he's been very candid about how crocheting has helped him through a lot of tough times in his life. And I love that about him. I love that he's very open and honest about where he's been in life and how crochet has helped him through those difficult times in his life. And these little ghosts are so cute, and you can change the little face and it makes them look really completely differently. I had to look up what chibi means in Japanese, and it just means small, little, and cute. And I think these are definitely that. They're small, they're little, and they're totally cute. The last pattern is actually a collection from amigurumi.com, and I thought these were so cute, especially if you wanted to make all of them, but one of them is actually my favorite. So you have a ghost, a witch, an owl, a pumpkin, a cauldron, a bat, and a broom. And I must say that that little broom is about as cute as it can be. I love that it has a little smile. I love that it's got a little hair bow up here in its little broom bristles. It's just so cute, so Halloweeny, and I think these would be really fun to make for your kids or just as Halloween decorations to have around your house. I hope you enjoyed these free Halloween crochet and amigurumi patterns. Please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next week. Happy stitching and stay safe out there.